Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0872, pertains to the transmission fluid pressure switch, C, related to the fourth clutch in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This issue occurs when the signal from the fluid pressure switch indicates a low status while the vehicle is in inappropriate gear ratios for the fourth clutch. The transmission fluid pressure switch is critical as it detects whether hydraulic pressure is being supplied to the fourth clutch. When operational, the switch sends a signal to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to manage fluid pressure and reduce gear change shock, specifically when shifting from third to fourth gear. If the switch indicates an erroneous state while the vehicle is not in fourth gear, the PCM identifies this as a potential failure, triggering the DTC and warning indicators. Diagnosing this issue involves thorough examination of the switch and related circuits to ensure proper functionality. The primary component affected by DTC P0872 is the transmission fluid pressure switch, C, responsible for the hydraulic pressure circuit to the fourth clutch. Located within the automatic transmission assembly, this switch plays a crucial role in detecting whether adequate hydraulic pressure is being supplied to engage the fourth clutch effectively. When hydraulic pressure is present, the switch closes and sends an on signal to the PCM, while an absence of pressure results in an off signal. This information is vital, as the PCM uses it to assess the conditions during gear changes, mitigating shifting shocks. By monitoring the correlation between the gear ratios and the switch signal, the PCM can detect failures and respond by logging DTC P0872. Understanding the components and their locations helps in troubleshooting the issue effectively. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0872. First, a short to ground in the OP4SW line connected to the transmission fluid pressure switch, C, can send erroneous signals to the PCM. This condition could lead to a continuous low state registered by the PCM. Secondly, the switch could be mechanically stuck in the on position due to internal failure. This situation will also mislead the PCM into incorrectly reading the system's pressure state. Lastly, an internal circuit failure within the PCM could lead to misinterpretation of valid signals, causing a consistent error state. Each of these possibilities requires a systematic approach to diagnose and rectify, typically using specialized diagnostic equipment to measure switch status, circuit integrity, and PCM functionality. Symptoms associated with DTC P0872 include the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, indicating a persistent issue. Additionally, the automatic transmission gear position indicator may blink, signaling that the system has detected a fault that needs addressing. Drivers may notice poor transmission performance, including harsh shifting, inability to shift into fourth gear, or erratic gear engagement. This can manifest as increased engine RPMs without proper acceleration or stalling during shifting sequences. If neglected, these symptoms could lead to further transmission damage, underscoring the importance of timely diagnostics and repairs. Recognizing these symptoms promptly allows for effective intervention before serious complications arise. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and ensuring it runs smoothly. Drivers should confirm that the vehicle is in a controlled environment, allowing for consistent performance monitoring. It is crucial to ensure that the ambient conditions and traffic regulations permit safe driving. Once the vehicle is operating, drive it in D until the transmission successfully shifts into sixth gear. This will allow the PCM to collect data related to gear shifts and fluid pressure. During this process, Pay close attention to any irregularities in transmission behavior, including shifts that feel harsh or do not engage properly. Observing and documenting these conditions provides valuable information for further diagnostics regarding the state of the transmission and the pressure switch. The second troubleshooting step requires utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any active DTCs. This advanced diagnostic tool provides insights into multiple vehicle systems, pinpointing any persistent issues that might not be immediately apparent. It's critical to ensure there are no active codes that could influence the behavior of the transmission and related electronics. Review the diagnostic data carefully, specifically focusing on the transmission fluid pressure switch C input to the PCM. By scrutinizing these parameters, technicians can ascertain if the switch is providing valid feedback. Should there be inconsistencies or values that stray outside normal ranges, further investigative measures regarding the switch or PCM will be necessary before proceeding. Final repairing steps include clearing the stored DTC from the PCM to initiate a fresh diagnostic cycle. After clearing, the vehicle should be test-driven under varying conditions to thoroughly assess whether the initial symptoms and engine warning lights reappear. This ensures that the previous issues related to the fluid pressure switch and transmission operation have been resolved. During the test drive, observe how the transmission engages during gear changes, particularly while transitioning into fourth gear. If the vehicle operates smoothly without any warning lights, it indicates successful repair. Following this step validates the effectiveness of the repairs made and helps ensure long-term reliability, confirming that the issue has been fully addressed. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding recurrences of DTC P0872 and ensuring optimal transmission performance. Regularly checking transmission fluid levels and condition should be a routine part of vehicle care. Low or contaminated fluid can lead to switch and transmission complications. Additionally, inspect all wiring connections associated with the transmission fluid pressure switch regularly to prevent shorts or corrosion, which can lead to erroneous signals. Scheduling periodic diagnostics using the Honda Diagnostic System can help in early detection of malfunctions, allowing for timely interventions and repairs. This proactive approach ensures that the vehicle maintains its transmission integrity and enhances overall driving comfort and safety. In summary, DTC P0872 highlights significant issues related to the transmission fluid pressure switch C, with clear symptoms that include MIL illumination and poor transmission performance. Thorough diagnostics are essential to accurately determine the root cause of the issue, whether it's a faulty switch, wiring problems, or PCM malfunction. Each step taken in troubleshooting can unveil important insights that guide effective repairs, emphasizing the need for a systematic approach. Preventive maintenance measures recommended can greatly mitigate the risk of reoccurrences, including regular fluid checks and the monitoring of electrical connections. Ultimately, understanding this DTC empowers drivers and technicians to maintain the operational efficiency and safety of the Honda Accord, enhancing its longevity on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.